Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a static vlog using your mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and for today's tutorial, we're going to use Inshot application. So make sure you have installed this application on your mobile phone. Okay, and I'm going to open up this application, and we can select video and select new. Okay, and I'm going to add vlog intro. I'm going to use intro from the InShot material. You can go to the material, select intro, and you can choose the intro for your vlog. And before you create the vlog, you need to decide which of the social media you want to upload your vlog to. For example, if you want to upload your vlog to YouTube, you can choose 16:9 ratio. But if you want to upload to your Instagram reel, you can choose 9:16. And for example, I'm going to upload it to my YouTube. So I'm going to select this intro. Okay. And wait, I'm going to change the ratio to 16:9. Okay, and this is for the intro, guys. Alright, and then you can add your footage to this project. We can click on this plus icon, select photo or video. And I'm just going to add this one. Wait. And then this one. Oops, sorry. Okay. And then you can add transition for the video if you want. Just click on this option if you want to add transition. And for instance, I'm going to add this transition. Okay. Okay, you can edit the vlog as creative as you can. Okay, I think this transition can make our vlog more aesthetic. Okay, like this. All right, and then I'm going to add background music. We can go to the audio, select music, and then you can add music from your device, or you can use music from the InShot. And you can go to the vlog category to select the background music for your vlog. You can choose chill, travel, or indie, or mood, or relax, or retro, or pop. And I'm just going to choose, for example, chill. And let's try to choose this one, morning. Okay, don't forget to download the music before you add it to your vlog. Okay, and I'm going to place it right here like this. Okay, and then you can apply filter or adjustment. I'm just going to apply filter to make the vlog more aesthetic. For example, I'm going to choose vintage. Wait guys, I'm going to apply the filter to all footage like this. Okay, or actually if you don't want to use the music on the intro, you can reduce the volume like this, and you can place the audio right here. Alright, and this is the final result. And if you want to export it, you can click on export and you can choose the resolution. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit a static vlog. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.